Hello everyone, good morning. So today we are going to learn something new in math. We are going to learn something new in math. Are you excited to learn something new? Okay, we are going to learn number names. Everyone say number names. Number names. Very good. Just like you know your numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Just as you know these numbers, they also have their names. We've been learning how to write the numbers, but now we have to learn how to write the number names. Okay? Number names are sight words, so they need to be memorized by sight before we write them. You cannot say the sounds just like you do to the words in Jollyphonics to write the number names. They are just also like tricky words. So you have to memorize them to be able to write them. Even though some of the numbers have the phonics way of writing it, but most of the number names are sight words, so you have to memorize them. So for you to be able to write the number names, for example, let's say 1. This is the number 1. You have to use the letter names like O, N, E. O, N, E. We don't say O, N, E. If you say O, N, E, how do you blend this word? You cannot blend it. That's why I said number names are sight words that we need to memorize them to be able to write them, okay? For example, if I say 1 and I want to write 1 just like you say sounds to write words, it means I'm going to write. Let's say, for example, I want to write 1 using the sounds. 1, I'm going to write W, A, N, W, A, N, 1. But this is not correct. That is why we are not supposed to use the sounds to write the number names. They are sight words and we have to memorize them before writing them, okay? So this is the number 1, and when writing the number name 1, we write it as O, N, E. Repeat after me. O, N, E, 1. Again, O, N, E, 1. Good job. Can you do it one more time? O, N, E, 1. Very good. Okay. Now, look at the next number. We have 2. Let's try to write the number 2 using the letters T, W, O. Do we say T, W, O? No. If we say T, W, O, we cannot blend these words to be able to read it. So it is a sight word, so we are going to learn how to write it using the letter names. T, W, O, 2. One more time. T, W, O, 2. Good job. Now, I want us to use some flashcards for you to see how the numbers names are written. Right in front of me, I have 2 cats, okay? I have 2 cats right in front of me. If you look at the cat, you will see the number, you will see the number name, and you will see the quantity, also known as value. So this is the number 1. Very good. And now let's write the number name 1 using the letters O-N-E. How many letters does the word 1 has? It has 1, 2, 3 letters. Again, 1, 2, 3. It has 3 letters. So when writing the number 1, you have to know that it has 3 letters. So the number is 1. 1 is the digit. And the number name, which is a sight word that we need to memorize it to be able to write it, it's O-N-E. And if you have to count 1, we have 1 dot. So we have only 1 dot, which represents the number 1. Good job. Now let's go to the next number, which is 2. Everyone say 2. So this is the digit or the number 2. And 2 has a name, the number name, which is 2. And we are going to learn how to write the number name using the letters, just like we did with 1. So let's go. T-W-O, 2. One more time. T-W-O, 2. How many letters do we have in 2? 1, 2, 3 letters, just like 1. So when writing the number name 2, you have to remember there are 3 letters in the number 2. And now let's go to the value or the quantity. If this is 2, then we need how many dots? 1, 2. 1, 2. So we have the number 2. We have the number name for 2, which is T-W-O. And we also have the quantity or the value, which is 1, 2. Very good. Okay. Now I have some letters here, which is made up of the number names. I'm going to mix them up. Then we are going to write the number 1 using the letters, and also the number 2 that we've learned today using the letters. But before we do that, I want us to try writing the number 1 again on the board. Remember I said we have to memorize the letter names, the number names, right? So let's go. Let's write the number 1. Can you remember how to write 1? We said to write the number name 1, we need to use the letters. And this is how it goes. O, N, E, 1. Now let's go to the next number, 2. Can you tell me how to write 2, the number name 2? Remember it has 3 letters. T, W, O, 2. Good job. Let's do it one more time. O, N, E, 1. T, W, O, 2. Good job. Now let's try to spell the number 1 and 2 using the letters on the card. So let's find, I'm going to open up all the letters, and because I know the number name 1 is O-N-E, I'm going to look for O-N-E to make 1. Now I have all my letters right in front of me, right? I have all my letters right in front of me. Now I have to find O-N-E 1. So where is O? This is O. Can you see? O. What comes next? N. And what comes next? E. O-N-E. 1. I'm also going to look for the number 1 to place it right beside the number name 1. O-N-E 1. This is the number name and this is the digit. Very good. Now, can you spell 2 using the letters? 2. T-W-O. Now, first, I'm going to look for T. Next, I will look for W. And next, I will look for O. T-W-O 2. After that, I'm going to look for the digit 2. So this is 2. Now the number name and the digit. Good job. Clap for yourselves. Well done, class. Okay. Now today we've learned 2 number names. 1 and 2. Repeat after me. Number name 1 and the number name 2. And we said the number names can be written or recognized as sight words. We don't have to say the sounds to write the word. Even though there are some number names that you can follow the phonics rule to write them, like 6. For example, if I say 6, S-E-X, I can write the number name 6 using the sounds. 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7. Very good. 10, T-E-N, 10. So some of the number names, you can follow the phonics rule to write the numbers, the number names. But most of the number names are sight words that you need to memorize them before you know how to write them, okay? So today we've learned the number name for 1 and 2. 1 and 2. O-N-E, 1. T-W-O, 2. Good job. Very good. Now, let me give you a little bit of activity to do here. I have 2, I have 1. O-N-E. O-N-E. T-W-O. Now, I want you to match the number name to its number, to the correct number. O-N-E 1. Is this 1? No. Is this 1? Yes. Good job. So I'm going to match 1 to the number name 1 to the digit 1. Now the next number we have 2. How do we write 2? The number name 2. T-W-O. T-W-O 2. Very good. So I'm going to match the digit 2 to the number name 2. Good job. And it got it all correct. You got it all correct. All correct. And a smiley face. Good job.